In this video, we will learn how to set up a dark mode button in a WordPress website. So let's start. First of all, we will go to our plugins. I will hit the add plugin button here. And now in the search bar, I will search WP dark mode. When I search WP dark mode, here you can see there are so many plugins that we can use to add a dark mode button in our website. I will use the first one here. I will hit the now button, installed it already and activate it. And now we are in WP dark mode plugin page. Here you can study the documentations and tutorials of the plugin page and connect with them the Facebook community and customer support. If you use the pro version of that plugin, you can get support from them and you can study the documentations and tutorials for free, and you can also join there. Okay, now we will go to our settings. And in the settings you can see it is by default enabled the dark mode, and now we can customize it, or you can choose default dark mode. So our website will be dark mode by default. We want our website should be light mode by default, and if users want they can set it to dark mode, but in default it is light mode. Okay, and now there are other options like admin panel, and we can customize the dark mode switch settings here, and there are so many settings here that you can fix here. Suppose if you want floating switch, you can choose that, but if you want to manual switch, you can choose it, but it is in pro version, we can't use it. Content switch, they all are in pro version, but only we can use the first one, floating switch. Okay, there is another option here, display on. Here we can control on which device we want to show the dark mode. Suppose we don't want in mobile version, so we can uncheck it, but I want in all the devices there should be a dark mode switcher. Okay, and there are other pro version feature, we can't use them right now. And now here you can see there are so many options that we can use for our website, but we only use first 4 options here for free. I am going to use that one. Okay, and all the rest are in pro version, we can't use them. Okay, there are other settings we can use here, color, image settings, video settings. We can style the switch here. There are advanced settings here where we can use custom CSS or explode settings, but all they are in pro version. If you need very basic dark mode switcher, you can use that plugin, but if you want to use advanced feature, you can buy their pro version. So I will go to our website right now and see. Okay, our website is loaded, and now at the right bottom part you can see there is a button here where we can control our dark mode and light mode. If we press on it, it will be dark mode, and if we want to light mode, we can control it from there. Thus you can add a basic level dark mode switcher in our WordPress website. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.